Introducing my bills payment and remittance services tool for businesses. It handles cash in and cash out transactions, ELoad processing, and provides detailed reports for accurate tracking. It has a secure login page so your data stays safe and only allowed users can access it. Let's make a sample cash in and cash out transaction. It's very easy to use. The charges are also changeable depending on your business setup. All data is saved in your Google Sheet and can be viewed in your transaction report. This report has a lot of filters you can use to get a better view of your transaction data. It also has a system account feature where you can easily create and manage users. Thank you for watching. Send me a message if you're interested in availing this tool.